Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to remove leading and trailing characters in Excel. If you have a column of values with unrequired leading or trailing characters, you can use formulas in Excel to remove them. Here we have a list of values in column A, and we want to clean and display them in column B. But what if the characters are sometimes different, or sometimes appear at the beginning or end of the values? In that case, we want to enter a custom string, and select whether to remove from the start or end. So first, we're going to type string into a cell that will act like a label, so users know where to enter the string. We'll add a background color to the input cells to make the worksheet user-friendly. And we'll box the string cell, so it's clear to see where to enter the characters you want to remove. To add a drop-down, select the adjacent cell, then head up and click Data at the top. Then click the Data Validation icon. Now click the select box under Allow, and choose List from the options. You can now enter values into the text box under Source. There, type leading, comma, trailing. Then hit OK. You should now see a small select button next to the cell, where you can select leading or trailing. And the user can input the characters to remove in the adjacent cell. But to make it work, we need to add a formula. Here we have a formula that takes the value from cell F2. And if the user selected leading, it will check to see if the string in E2 matches the start of the value in column A. If it does, it uses the write function to remove those characters. Otherwise, it simply returns the original value. If the user entered trailing, the formula will try to match the string in E2 with the characters at the end of the value. If they match, it uses the left function to remove them. Otherwise, it returns the original value. You can find this formula in the description. Copy the formula, and paste it into the B2 cell. Then hit Enter. To remove XYZ from the end of our values, we can enter XYZ into the string box, then select trailing. Perfect. The string has been successfully removed from the end of all values in column A. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and it would help us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.